Hey guys, Renaissance here, and I'm showing off one of my favorite handmade products. Reusable cotton rounds have been a trend for a really long time. I have always loved crocheting mine with coarse cotton. They are perfect for exfoliating and polishing the skin, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make them. You're going to start with your slip knot. Then you're going to chain 4. You're going to insert your hook in the very first chain created. Then you're going to slip stitch. This creates a circle. You will now chain 3. That chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Now you're going to create 11 additional double crochet right in the center of your circle. Once the round is completed, you will have 12 double crochet. You're going to count up to your top third chain, insert, and slip stitch close. Chain through again, and you're going to start your second round with a double crochet in the same chain 3 space, creating 2 double crochet in 1 space. You are going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. This second round will give you 24 double crochet. So you will be going from 12 double crochet on your first round to 24 double crochet on your second round. You're going to count up to the top third chain, insert your hook, and slip stitch closed. You're going to chain through again for your third round, and you're going to create a double crochet in the same chain 3 space. This time you're going to alternate 2, 1, 2, 1. So in your next stitch, you're creating 1 double crochet. Then in your next stitch, you will be creating 2 double crochet in 1 space. Continue alternating all the way around. Once you complete this round, count up to the top third chain, insert your hook, and slip stitch closed, and that's it. You can make as many as you like. Now you have a perfect reusable round.